What's up, you guys? Welcome back. Today I am so excited because we are going to be doing a Boxycharm unboxing and try on haul. So many of you guys have requested for me to do monthly unboxings of Boxycharm, so that is what I'm going to be doing today. But I feel like just unboxing the products and showing you the products is like kind of boring, so we are going to be trying them out on the face as well. That's kind of why I have like my base done but nothing else, because I figured we would actually test the products out too. This is my third month receiving Boxycharm and I have been very impressed with their boxes, so hoping this one is good. It's $21 a month and you get 4 to 5 full-size products in their boxes. If you guys don't know what Boxycharm is, so you don't get like those little sample, like deluxe sample things. I hate that. I want full-size products. So with Boxycharm, you get full-size products, again, $21 per month, which is actually a very good deal because the brands that are in Boxycharm are high-end. Like in the past, I got a Tarte product, I've gotten Kat Von D, like a bunch of higher-end brands you guys can find at like Sephora and Ulta and stuff. So it's not like kind of brands that you've never heard of either, which is really nice. So I'll put a link to Boxycharm right down below in the description box. You guys can check it out if you are interested. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get started. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel if you have not already and click that little bell right next to the subscribe button so you can be notified of all of my future uploads. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Alrighty, so this is what the box looks like when you open it up. I love how it says Hello Charmer. I feel like that's so cute. And then there's normally just like a little pamphlet with information and stuff on top. Ooh, this one we get a 10% off of IT Cosmetics. Pretty cool. And then normally there is like more information and stuff in here about the different products, but I don't like to look at that. I like to be surprised and just dig in and look at the products myself. So let's see what we got in here. Okay, so this is the first thing that I see. Ooh, I see some Kat Von D and IT Cosmetics right on top, but let's see this. Okay. This is the Ahava Dead Sea Water Mineral Hand Cream. Yes, please. Oh my gosh, my hands are so dry. Literally, as soon as the temperature drops like a little bit, my hands turn into the Sahara Desert, so I'm so excited for this. Okay, let's try it out. I've actually never heard of this brand, Ahava. Actually, maybe I have. I feel like I've seen the logo like this before, but let's test it out on our hand. Let's see, does she have a scent? Ooh, it just smells like very like nourishing. Like it smells like a nice hand cream. Oh, wow. And it feels really nice. Oh my gosh. It's like thick, but it melts into your skin. Like, do you guys see it's already like melted into my hand, but it is very thick, so it does feel like very nourishing on my hands. Okay, let's see. So the MSRP for this is $10. So that's already like half of what we're paying for the box, but there's still so many other products. So that is awesome. And it says that it's formulated for daily use and stuff like that. So I'm definitely gonna put this in my purse and keep using this throughout the winter as it keeps getting colder. Very cool. Okay, let's continue on. So I see these two products right here. We have IT Cosmetics and we have Kat Von D. Let's see. Oh my god, it's the IT Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. This is like literally everywhere, this stuff. I really like the eyeliner too, the Superhero eyeliner from IT Cosmetics. That's really good. But this is the mascara. It is full size. This definitely retails for a lot. Yeah, the MSRP on this is $24, so that's more than the entire box in and of itself. So that is awesome. We will definitely use that today for our look. I have tried this mascara before. I honestly can't even remember my thoughts on it. It was a while ago. I tried it when it first came out, but I don't remember hating it. So that's a good thing. We'll definitely test this today. And then we have a Everlasting Liquid Lipstick from Kat Von D. This one is in the shade Bow and Arrow. Stop. Oh my god, this is one of my favorites. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, let me open this right now. I remember like someone, I want to say maybe it was Kylie Jenner or like someone really famous said that they really loved this shade and it was like impossible to get for the longest time. Then I finally got one. Oh, I'm so excited. That is awesome. This is a beautiful shade for fall. So I'm just gonna put it right over the lippy that I already have going on. We'll definitely use that for our look today. And the MSRP on that is $20. So we're already at $54 for the stuff that we've gotten. Okay, let's see. We have two other products in here. So let's see what this one is with the bubble wrap. I think this is like a palette or something. Ooh, it's from Pure. This is the Midnight Masquerade Face Palette. Okay, let's check her out. I have not seen this. The MSRP on this is $38, so that is awesome. Oh, it says it's a 10-piece face palette. Let's see. Oh my god, wait, so it has eyeshadows too. It's not just face. Okay, so we have a bronzer, 2 blushes, a highlight, and then 6 eyeshadows. So this is like legit a full palette. That is awesome. I love Pure, like I love their stuff. So very excited to try this out. I can't believe I haven't heard about this. I don't know if this is like a Boxycharm exclusive or something, but I actually haven't seen this. But super excited to test this guy out. So we will definitely test that out today. And then the last product that we have in here is from Brigio. Oh, I really like their hair stuff. This is the Don't Despair Repair Strength Plus Moisture Leave-In Mask. Oh my god, yes. Okay, so this is The MSRP on this is $16. I'm not sure if this one is full size. This might be more of like a deluxe sample size, but we did already get the 4 full size products. Or this might be full size, I don't really know. But it is a leave-in conditioner, which I'm very, very excited about. My hair needs it. I love leave-in conditioners, and this one says that it's a moisture leave-in conditioner, which, yes, please. So this we're not gonna be able to test out today, obviously, because my hair is already done, but all the makeup stuff we are gonna test out. If we just total everything up real quick so I can tell you guys what everything in the box like actually cost. Okay, so the total cost of everything in the box was $108, although it's only $21. So definitely getting a good value. Now let's test the products. So I'm gonna go in with the little palette first, and I'm gonna go in with the shade Sneak Peek right there. Let's see how she works. Just gonna buff this into my crease. It's a little bit deep of like a blending color, so I'm just going in with this tiniest little bit at first, and then we can always build it up. But this shade is pretty dark, so I don't wanna go in with too much offhand. Now I'm gonna go in with this darker gray color right here and smoke it out the eye. Let me just pop this into my outer corner just to add some depth and dimension to the eye. And then I'm gonna bring that deeper gray underneath my eye as well. And then all over the lid, I'm gonna pack on Expose, which is like this silver shade right here. I'm just gonna pack this on. Ooh, so pretty. The colors in this palette are like not normally colors that I would go for, but I actually really like how this look is turning out. It's different. It's out of my comfort zone. Very cool toned. And I'm just applying this with a completely dry brush, and it is very, very pigmented. Then I'm gonna jump into the highlight shade in the palette. I'm gonna use this to highlight my brow bone. Ooh, she's pretty. Now I'm gonna go in and just pop on some lashes. I'm just gonna use the Salon Perfect 614s. You guys know these are my favorite. All right, so we have our lashes on. I'm gonna let the lash glue dry before we go in with the mascara. So I'm gonna finish off the face using the same Pure palette, the face side now. So I'm gonna go in with the bronzer in Enchantment first. And we are just gonna use this to bronze up our skin. This is actually a really pretty bronzer. It has like a little bit of shimmer to it, but not too much, which is my favorite kind of bronzes. There is no like matte bronzer in this palette, so I wouldn't use it really to contour, but I'm just gonna kind of contour with this bronzer by just blending in like a 3 motion, if you guys see. Then I'm gonna go in with Hidden Secret, which is this top blush, and pop that on the cheeks. And then we will go in with the highlight in the shade Twilight to highlight our cheekbones. Ooh, yes, honey. Very pretty highlighter. Our lash glue is probably good now, so I'm gonna go in with the Superhero mascara, MIT Cosmetics, and just pop that on my lashes. I'm putting it on my lower lashes as well as my upper lashes to just blend my natural lashes in with the falsies. This is actually doing a really nice job on my lower lashes. Like, it's evenly distributing the product well without having it go everywhere, because it's a thinner kind of wand, which is actually great. So you can be more precise. So I do really like that. Alrighty. Lashes are pretty much all blended in now. And we are done on the eyes. And then last but not least, I'm gonna go in with the Kat Von D Bow and Arrow liquid lipstick. I'm just gonna put it over the lipstick that I have on right now because this color is darker, so it'll be fine. I haven't worn this in a minute, but I'm so excited to wear it again. And I actually really like the Kat Von D liquid lipstick formula because they're very long lasting, but they're not drying to the lips, which is amazing. Love this color. So perfect for fall. Alrighty guys, so that is everything. I hope that you did enjoy this month's Boxycharm unboxing / try on. I definitely really liked everything that I tried, and I really like how my look ended up coming out. It's very cool toned, which is different for me, but I actually really like it, and I definitely think this month's Boxycharm was really good and was worth $21, especially because like all the products we got were actually like really good and worth $108, so that's kind of crazy. Let me know down below what other videos you guys want to see on my channel. I would love to hear it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like I said, there will be a link to Boxycharm if you want to check it out in the description box. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you very soon in my next video. Bye!